Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably wanna know how to use Fetch Rewards Visa card. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Fetch Rewards is a mobile app that allows users to earn rewards by scanning their grocery receipt. Users take pictures of their receipts through the app and earn points based on their purchase. These points can be redeemed for gift cards to popular retailers, restaurants, and other rewards. The app also features partnerships with specific brands and retailers, offering additional points for buying their product. Fetch Rewards is available for download on both iOS and Android devices. Now, to redeem a Visa gift card on Fetch Rewards, what you need to do first is download the Fetch Rewards app. For iOS users, click download on the App Store, and for Android users, click get it on Google Play. After downloading it, make sure you have created an account or logged in to Fetch Rewards. Once you're logged in, you can start earning points by snapping receipts from your purchases. Snap your receipts to earn points on Fetch Rewards. The more receipts you snap, the more points you accumulate. Once you have accumulated enough points, you can redeem them for Visa gift cards. Go to the reward section of the app, look for the Visa gift card option and select it. Follow the instructions to redeem your points for the Visa gift card. After redeeming your points, you will receive a Visa gift card. You can use this card for online and in-store purchases. For example, add items to your cart on a shopping site like Amazon. At checkout, choose add a credit or debit card as your payment method. Enter your Visa card details like card number, name to complete the purchase. If you encounter any issues with redeeming your Visa gift card, you can get support by visiting prepedigitalsolutions.com. The Visa reward comes in digital and physical versions. Once your Visa reward is processed and ready to be redeemed, you will receive a confirmation email with redemption details. You have 4 months from the date of this email to select a physical or digital Visa card and activate your reward. And that's pretty much all about how you can fetch rewards Visa card. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. Till then, bye bye and I will see you in the next one.